So since this post is getting a lot of attention about the baby gate, I figured I'd do an update on it. You don't have to remove it or anything. You can leave your camper door closed if you wanted to. It will also work with the screen door. If the screen door, and then you can also open it to walk right in. So you don't really have to move it if you don't want to. You can also close it just like that. In the very bottom here, it does have the little ledges or notches, so it will only open one way. That way, if you have kids or anything like that, they can't force it to go past that. So you can set that for either direction. And then also, it does come with these little caps that go right in the, in here. So I'm gonna unscrew this. So like if you did want to take it down or anything like that, or if you're just worried about how secure it is if your child's playing on the gate, it's not just pushed up against the wall like most child gates are. So I'll unscrew this here just to give you an example. But see, there's a little cap that you screw into the 2x4 within the wall, and that little rubber piece will go right in there, and then you would tighten this up to push against the wall, and it also pushes against the child gate as well. And here in a second, I'm almost done. To how tight you want it. And that way, if your child's playing right here, they can't go, it's not gonna fall out or pull off the wall because it is secured within these brackets on all four corners. So it's very, very, very secure. It does come with other side pieces to make it a little longer if you wanted to, but my door for my trailer, and I'm gonna assume most trailers, are only probably about 29 to 30 inches wide. So this here is actually, if I measured from this corner here to this corner here, I came to 29 and a half inches. And then this gate here, I didn't use the other pieces that came with the gate, and I only used this, which I believe comes to about 28 inches. So it gave me about another inch or two against the wall. Don't hold me to that, I would have to remeasure it. But just want to let you guys know, that way if you do have a toddler like we do, you don't have to worry about him or her falling out the door, because it's not secure, because it is very, very secure here in all four corners. And then on the inside as well, like I said, you can close your gate, your screen door. You can mount this as far back as you want, however, on the in your RV. So you don't have to worry about tearing it down every single time you're going to go out or whatever you're going to do. You can just leave it up and running. Let me leave it up and then take off. So you don't have to take it down if you don't want to. And just wanted to give you guys an update. I'm not sponsored or anything like that from this company. I just struggled with trying to figure out a way to secure my camper so my toddler can run around, and really couldn't figure anything out. And I said, hey, why don't I try the child gate? And measured everything, and it worked out perfect. I was just gonna put a fiberglass thing inside the screen here, but then my son figured out how to open this, so that didn't work. And this is real flimsy. I can only imagine if I put the fiberglass, will be more flimsy. This here, he can't open unless he's pushing this in and pulling back at the same time, and it will be a little while until he figures that one out. Just want to give you an update.